Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I will try and attempt to change the battery in my 2012 MacBook Pro. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the laptop battery with my own money. Okay, all right. Now, the name of the replacement battery is Ninja Bat Pro. I got this from Amazon, made in China, but there's customer service info for United Kingdom customers and also United States customers. Now, I bought this from Amazon. The reason why I bought it is because they have a higher rating, customer rating. So I will be leaving my affiliated link down in the description of this video. All right, so it came with the two screwdrivers, which is good because I was going to use this. This is good, y'all. This is coming clutch. I will also leave an affiliated link for this item here because this is a good tool to have. Okay, your manual. And your battery itself. Okay, so as you know, before you replace the battery, you must completely power off your laptop, which I already done. Make sure you are organized with your screws and leave them in one spot so you don't lose them and you avoid confusion. All right. Oh, and also this is magnetic or magnetized, which is a plus. That means you could reuse it. Okay, so just be careful removing the bottom piece. All right. I'm just blowing out these particles, these dust particles. Okay, so I guess you have to remove this piece here. Okay. Alrighty. And then what? You pull it. Okay. Okay. There it is. Well, I guess I didn't really need to take this off, so I put it back. All right. No signs of inflating, so it's just old. Out with the old, in with the new. There's a plastic piece. I guess we peel it off. Ooh. Seems easy. And then we put back these pieces. There you go. Okay, so I wiped down the cover with some alcohol and tissue, and I think that'll do the job. Then put back the cover like so. So yeah, I started to notice that my battery performance of my laptop was poor. It was the battery used to drain out after a few hours, and I would leave it on sleeping, and it would just power off. So I realized that the battery must need replacing. So I guess I was right. Oops. Oops. So what I like about this replacement battery, it comes with two magnetized screwdrivers, which is I think is a plus. You could definitely reuse it. for other jobs, you know. Man, this laptop been with me for 10 years, and well, actually 12. Yeah, it's been this laptop been with me for 10 years and still ticking, man. Okay, let's see. Okay, there you go. Look how fast that is. Meow. Not bad, right? For a MacBook Pro 2012. And there you have it. That's how you replace the battery in your 2012 MacBook Pro. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.